Hey, what is going on, guys? This is Tanctics here with another Yu-Gi-Oh video. As promised from my last video, I'm going to start opening up the Genesis Impact cards to see if I get the Drytron cards. So let's get to it. Now, I might make this booster box opening here like maybe a two-parter, but I will tell you that this whole Genesis Impact thing is probably going to be a multi-parter. Because I have so many more boxes to open up. So this is the very first one, and as you can see, I'm undoing the package, so it's brand new. So let's do it. So let's see here. I haven't opened up a booster box in a long time, so this is going to be exciting. So we got still 24 packs. Now, maybe my memory is serving me wrong, but I thought there used to be 9 cards per pack. Now it's 7 cards per pack. I could be completely wrong. I just don't remember. So I'm going to move these to the side, on either side. How about that? And look at my mat here. This is actually a pretty old mat. It's a Nintendo mat. I love this thing. One of my close friends gave that to me. So let's get opening these packs. So let's see here. First, a Genesis pack to open. Maybe we'll get a Drytron right away. That'd be so cool. And I think it said that there's a foil card every pack. I don't know if that's like a new thing. I'm just not like, I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, look at that. I got Ben 10. I wasn't even expecting that card to be in here. Holy cracker barrel. I need that card. Holy crap. There we go. We got this card here. And I'm not going to read every single card. It's just too much. Let's see what this is. Ooh, a Drytron Beta. Oh, so we got the beta, so that's good. Went the Drytron. It's all silver rares. I didn't know that. Look at that. We got a Nightmare Phoenix. Wow, this is like exactly what I need. All right, we got this card here. Drytron. I don't know what this is, but that's awesome. And then here we go. Look at that. That's pretty cool. That's our first holo card. That's awesome. It's a Glass Goddess. So that's pretty cool. That's exciting. I can't believe I got a Ben 10. Holy crap. Alright, next pack. Ben 10s are going to be easy like that. I'm pretty excited for this. I like how they put the holos in the back now, not in the middle. Alright, so we got a Cynet Regression. Ooh, got Gamma. That's a card I need. Drytron. He's got Zeta. That's awesome. We got this card here. Drytron Meteor Shower. Silver's kind of hard to see. And then we got, I don't even know how to pronounce that, but that's a pretty cool looking card. So we already got like a lot of the cards that we need. That's awesome. Ben 10? I don't really know. I know it's not some secret rare, cool, $1 million one, but that's awesome that I got one. Alright. And again, I had no idea it was in here. Star Drawing. We got Extra Foolish Burial. Oh, we got Nightmare Unicorn. Evil Star Twin Challenge. That's cool looking. Ooh, it's hard to see these. Look at that. Silver lettering. It's cool looking, but man, it does not show it right. You already seen that card? And then we got a card right here. Alright. Is this a special box? Because it just seems special. I don't know. So we got here. We got Invoked. I don't even want to say that. I feel like I would be mean, just like not mean, but inappropriate because I want to say it a different way. Oh, we got a beta again. Star Drawing. Unicorn. Ben 10! An Extra Foolish Burial. And then we got this baby right here. This Synchro beauty right here. So we already got the Ben 10s that we need. That's awesome. I'm sure I'll get some more. I wonder if the other Cyber Angels are in here. Because I need them as well. Like Natasha. Which I think people are saying is probably going to get banned. We got Evil Star Twin President. Invoked Magella something. We got a Hat Tricker. Hat Tricker. Backup Secretary. Ooh, a nice little old bottomless trap hole. The Book of the Law. And then we got Spell Spear. I'm just going to say Spell Spear because these names, I don't know where they come with these names. I'm just not pop culture like, so I don't know. Alright, next pick. Next pick. This is awesome. I mean, I have to open as many as I wanted. I thought I would have to open. Bottomless. We got a gadget card here. That we've already seen that. We've already seen that. We've seen that as well, and that. Woo! Drytron Alpha. Need that card. Need 2 more of those. Let's see what we got here. Oof. All right, we got a Delta. Another Nightmare Phoenix. A lot of those now. Seen that card. Seen that card. Seen that card, invoked, seen that, and then we got Beat Cut from the Underworld. Awesome. Actually, from another deck that I'm trying to build as well, which I haven't talked about, I do need this card, so that's awesome. I'm building like 3 decks simultaneously. You only know 2. The third one's probably like, eh, you guys are like, that's a stupid deck. I don't care. You won't know for a while. Alright. Evil Twin. We got a juggler here. It's hard to see that. Sorry, you guys can't see that. Oh my god. World Legacy, World Lance. Delta. Phoenix. Oh! Nice. I'm not sure if I use this one, but that one is awesome. There's 2 of them. I don't think this is the right one. But that's pretty cool. Let's get it. This is exciting, man. I'm having so much fun. Yeah. Dark Mist. Another bottomless. We got a Gamer. We got another Live Star. We already seen that card. Another Evil Star. And then we got Live Star Twin Home. Alright, there's only 3 more packs open. And this will be a part. There will be a part 2 at least to this box opening because I only want to make a video like 10 minutes at the very most. This might go a little bit further than that, which I don't like. Drytron Eclipse. We got Herald of the Ultimateness. I can't even talk. Born Dragon from Draconis. Number 96, Dark Mist. Live Star, and then we got Live Star Twin. Are these cards good? Because they're kind of cool. I like the way they are. Alright. A little bit faster here because we got this about a minute and a half. Already seen this card, seen that card, seen that card. Drytron Meteor, Zeta again. Woo woo. Need that. Evil Twin Kill. What is that? K1 Siki. I don't know. Whatever. And then the last pack of this opening. Then I get it done in less than 10 minutes. Oh no, I got 55 seconds. Let's go. Nightmare something. Okay, backup secretary, Evil Star, Drytron. And then we got a Live Twin. Yes, I got it done. All right. So that does how some of these cards. I got the Ben 10s. I already had those in here. I got a couple of the Drytron cards that I need. Still need to look for a couple more, but that was fun. So please let me know if you enjoyed that video, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.